Have you ever pondered the role genetics play in obesity? It's a fascinating topic, and today we're diving deep into the genetic pool to explore 3 key genes linked to obesity. First up is the FTO, or Fat Mass and Obesity Associated gene. This gene is often called the obesity gene because it's considered one of the foremost genes related to obesity. The variant Rs9939609 of this gene is particularly interesting. If you've got this variant, you might have a higher risk of obesity and related health implications. We're talking about an increased likelihood of metabolic diseases, including type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Next in line is the MC4R, or Melanocortin 4 receptor gene. This gene has a crucial role in regulating appetite and weight control. If you've got mutations in this gene, you might experience something called leptin resistance, which can lead to an increased appetite. This gene mutation is linked to severe obesity and related diseases like type 2 diabetes and hypertension. The third gene to discuss is POMC, or Proopiomelanocortin gene. This gene is involved in the production of peptides that regulate appetite and metabolism. Mutations in the POMC gene can lead to eating disorders and obesity from childhood. This increases the risk of obesity-related health problems, including diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. So there you have it. 3 genes, FTO, MC4R, and POMC, that play significant roles in obesity. Remember, these genes alone don't dictate if someone will become obese. Obesity is a complex condition influenced by a combination of genetics, environment, behavior, and lifestyle. While these genes might increase your risk of obesity and related health problems, adopting a healthy lifestyle can mitigate these risks. So, even if your genes are stacked against you, your lifestyle choices can still have a significant impact on your health. And that's the skinny on the fat genes. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your genetic makeup can help you make informed decisions about your health. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of genetics.